guys, good afternoon. It's 11:42. It's 11:42. Oh no, it's 11:42 a.m. guys, so it's noontime. It's 11:45. So now we're heading to Critical Supermarket. I'm going to buy something from there, and I'm gonna inform them because the last time that the other day when I went there to buy something, they charged me extras for the thing that I didn't take. So I'm gonna inform them. Alright, so we're heading again there at Critical Supermarket, which is we're almost close. So as you can see there at the corner, there is a pharmacy. Then we just have to turn right. So it's noontime here guys in Zakitos, TSILIVI, and we are walking again. So I'm giving you a walking tour again guys, so you can able to see what TSILIVI looks like at noontime. It's very hot today guys, it's very sunny. Finally it's sunny. It's been I think 4 days that it's been sunnier here in TSILIVI guys. Hello. Jasmine Bar and Restaurant is here. And Palladium is there. Exchange rate is without commission is 1.09. That's nice. Oh, this flower. Estasi Girl House, it's there as well. You should try. There's black there. It's really very nice and the price is really affordable. Here is Popeye, and then we're gonna turn left here. So we are here already at the intersection. If you turn right, it's going to Spar Supermarket. Giroland Grill House is open right now. And if we turn left here, it's the Critical Supermarket guys. So we're gonna go there. You have to be careful here. So that's me. I don't know if you can able to see. There's a lot of tabernas on the side also guys, over here. So we are going here at Critical Supermarket, and there's a bakery over here. Yeah, one. Alright guys, so I already went in Critical Supermarket and I informed the stop there that I was overcharged last time, and then so she helped me to deduct that price. It's only a small amount, it's €1 something, but I can buy something from that. So she deducted this €1 something to my receipt now. Alright, so now we're heading home. So I'm going back now guys to my accommodation because it's already 12:10 and I need to prepare at 1. But I have to go for my laundry first because I put my laundry in the washing machine and I have to get it back. Alright, so I'm gonna show you again the TSILIVI. Hope you're not getting bored with my video about TSILIVI. It's gonna be all TSILIVI because I'm working here in Japan. Okay, so this is what I bought guys from Criticus. By the way, this is public pub. Yeah. Sorry, it's a Planet pub. I mean. And then opposite is Romeo's restaurant. I think they have a nice ambience there. That's Romeo's restaurant. By the way, guys, it's sunny and it's hot here in TSILIVI, guys. Oh, I should go to the beach. The beach should be full right now because it's sunny. The tourist is enjoying the sun. I told you last time I like this house. See? And we are here again at Fantasy Mini Golf. They have golf here. And then this one, oh, the price is €7, 18-hole course, €5 for 9-hole course. Last co-op admission is midnight, open every day at 10 a.m. till late. And then they have the cures here for €6. €3 for this soft ice cream whipping. So just to show you guys the goal. That's nice. And Maritime Museum TSILIVI, I don't know where it is. There's a signage here. This, guys, is Milo's Drink and Coffee's Pub. This is very unique for me. They are using old furnitures, dance and drink. Then you can sit here and drink your favorite cocktail. It's actually bar, guys. See? I thought at first they are selling old furnitures, but no, it's not. Yeah. It's like that. So Red Lion Pub, TSILIVI Sakintos. Pizza, burger. This is another Greek tabernas. And over there, it's a hotel. The name of the hotel is Piscina. Eat, drink, swim. They have a huge bar. And over here is cruise around. Oh, they have tours to shipwreck. And Obelix, local Mediterranean cuisine. The mode is on that side. I've been always showing to you guys this area because I'm very close here. I always pass by here every time I go to the supermarket. So by the way, there's a door here. This is for, I think, spa, herb store. And cactus. There's a cactus here. They have garden on this side. Look, they do have a lot of plants, guys. It's not dying, see? Even they are not watering it. Wine roses is on that area. Supermarket. I don't know what is this. Is this lemon? There's a lot of fruits, but I don't know whether it's lemon or fruits. Alright, okay. There's a supermarket in that area and have ATM machine as well. Rent a car. If you want to rent a car, there's a lot of rent a car here. Rent a car shops. Souvenirs, clothes. Let's see the price of these clothes. Like this one, it's $24.95. This is $24.95 for this white. Nice. Medical service. So there's a bus stop on that side, guys. I always showed to you that bus stop, which is in front of the Helmis rental Helmis and TSILIVI Bazaar. So this is another rental car shops. They have ATV. And then this is shops for souvenirs. Apartment, TSILIVI Beach Hotel is on that area. When you go in this area, it's heading to the beach as well. Breeze Bar is here. And then there's a tour here. Yeah. Hi, Asu. Yeah, they have excursions here. Lagana's Fun Train. So there's a schedule over there if you're interested to take this fun train. Alright, so there's a lot of their souvenir shops on that area. Lots of souvenirs. And here is Genesis Creek Taverna restaurant that you will find there. Wow, it's so big, it's huge. This is shops again, souvenir shops. Oh, in these shops I find it cheaper. You should visit the shops. I find the price here cheaper. Entrance to Fun Park. Oh, there's a Luna Fun Park here, guys. Playground for all. So you have to go in this side. And this is Elias restaurant. Swanyo. And this is one of the entertainment place here in TSILIVI, guys, for kids. It's very lively at night. I'm eating is closed, but tonight it will be open. They are open at night for dinner. And another restaurant here, it's Rosa. It's nice restaurant plus bar. Two Brothers cocktail bars is on that side, and this is Canticina. Can I go?